Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1991 Nissan Figaro. It has the equivalent of 111,000 miles on it. It has a clean US title. It is 100% street legal. It's a right-hand drive Japanese import. It runs and drives great. It's the fixed top convertible. Has updated wheels, relatively new tires. Suspension components have been recently replaced. Again, it runs and drives excellent. It has cold AC, it has hot heat. It's the 987cc turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 3-speed automatic. It has a older respray in black, which has little imperfections in some spots. Overall, I would say it's nice quality. They did inside the door jambs, underneath the hood, everywhere. Interior is in nice shape overall. This is the passenger seat, looks very nice. There is some wear across both. A little bit more on the driver's side there. Steering wheel's nice. The dash does have a crack right there. All of the gauges work. The Japanese stereo works. Although since it picks up like 74 megahertz to 90, I think it works on one station. Overall, a super fun little import. So there you have it, our 1991 Nissan Figaro.